Okay, so we are going further in the trail of evidence. It says that I don't have any more battery memory. When I try to send it, it bounces back. This is YouTube censoring information because I am telling you in this video, I'm showing you first that I cannot back up my data from the Google Drive. I cannot zip it, I cannot download it, I cannot duplicate it in another folder. I cannot copy paste that file within the G drive. You have another point, another source point. So they keep on purpose one single failure point to still have pressure. And from the same type of technique, you have Amazon Web Servers, 32% of the internet that shut down just like that. Same mindset, exactly the same thing. One single failure point to keep control because they're insane. As a result, it can be fucked up super easily. It's not that complicated. So you see that it says that it's impossible to record a video. I have space on my phone and I'm telling you to download the information, the Google Drives, because this is an historical moment. And that you have those people trying to block it all, the access of the information. I don't care if you have to put it in a bank, if you have to buy an SD card, several SD card, split it around everywhere. I don't care if you have to buy an external hard drive and put it in a safe deposit bank. I don't care if you have to put it instead somewhere in the train station or so on. This is a historical moment. They try to corrupt absolutely all the files. Meanwhile, because of this, humanity is being killed. You are being killed right now. Because every single day, they try to kill me. Not has passed one day without them trying to kill me, at least silently. Not one in 3 years. This is why you're being killed.